Welcome to OPIM 201, Operations Management. I'm excited to begin this journey with you. We will explore the essential principles and practices that drive effective operations. In our first week, we will focus on the role of process management. Understanding process management is crucial. It lays the foundation for designing, implementing, and improving the systems that create and deliver products and services. Throughout this course, we will explore various aspects of operations management. This includes process optimization, quality control, supply chain management, and more. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to analyze and enhance operational processes in real-world scenarios. First, let's discuss business processes in context. Business processes are essential for understanding how organizations operate. They play a crucial role in both business and operations management. Operations management focuses on efficient and effective processes. These processes transform inputs into outputs, ensuring that businesses deliver value to their customers. Next, we'll explore the nature and types of business processes. These processes can vary widely, ranging from simple tasks to complex workflows. Understanding these differences will help us analyze how organizations can optimize operations. One significant challenge we'll address is matching supply with demand. In any business, it's vital to align production with customer needs. This balance is crucial for maintaining efficiency and ensuring customer satisfaction. Finally, I want to highlight how this course will equip you with essential tools and strategies. We'll cover various methodologies and frameworks. These will empower you to analyze and improve business processes effectively. Let's get started. Today, we're going to explore business processes and operations. These concepts are fundamental to understanding how organizations function. On the left side of the slide, we see examples of business processes. These are repetitive tasks performed in a sequence using specialized resources. For instance, invoice processing involves steps to generate, send, and track invoices. Hiring new employees is another structured process that includes job postings, interviews, and onboarding. Lastly, telephone sales follow a specific protocol for engaging with customers and closing sales. Now, let's look at the right side of the slide, which highlights operations. Operations can include non-repetitive work, like custom projects tailored to specific client needs. It also includes one-off projects, which are unique and not part of a regular process. The intersection refers to what companies do to produce and deliver standardized goods and services. In essence, business processes focus on repetitive tasks that ensure efficiency. Operations encompass the broader activities that deliver value to customers. Finally, operations are often overseen by a department led by the Chief Operations Officer. This role ensures that all processes align with the company's strategic goals. Understanding these distinctions will help you appreciate how organizations streamline activities to enhance productivity and customer satisfaction. In operations management, we focus on the processes that create goods and services. The cartoon illustrates an important concept: the sequence of tasks. The character in the image emphasizes that there is a specific order to follow. First, you put on your pants, then your shoes. This simple idea applies to operations management. Just like getting dressed, many tasks in operations must be done in a certain order to be effective. Understanding this sequence helps us improve efficiency and reduce errors. It's crucial to recognize that operations are not random. They follow a logical flow. Here's a case in point. Why did the operations manager bring a ladder to work? Because he wanted to take their processes to the next level. As we explore operations management, keep this principle in mind. The order of tasks can significantly impact overall performance. There are two production methods: craft production and mass production. In craft production, each worker performs multiple tasks. For example, consider two apples, labeled as job A and job B. For job A, using toolset A, worker A peels the apple. Worker A then slices the apple. For job B, using toolset B, worker B also peels the apple. Worker B slices the apple as well. Each worker is responsible for the entire process for their assigned apple. This method allows for flexibility and customization. An example of craft production or artisan bakeries. These bakeries produce handmade bread and pastries, focusing on quality and unique recipes. Another example are jewelry designers who create custom jewelry pieces, often using unique materials and designs. In mass production, tasks are divided among workers. This method focuses on efficiency and speed. For both apples, A and B, worker 1 peels the apples using tool 1. Worker 2 slices the apples using tool 2. This division of labor increases productivity. Each worker specializes in one task, leading to faster production times. For example, Samsung Electronics manufactures a wide range of electronics, including smartphones and appliances, using mass production techniques. Nestlé mass produces food and beverage products such as snacks and frozen meals. Craft production offers customization, while mass production emphasizes efficiency. Each method has its advantages and is suited for different production needs. In mass production, workers are trained to perform specific tasks. This focused training allows them to master their roles quickly. For example, a worker may specialize in assembling a particular component rather than learning multiple tasks. Mass production relies on specialization. When workers focus on specific tasks, they become more efficient. This specialization allows for faster production and improved quality. When workers concentrate on a narrow set of skills, they can perform their tasks more efficiently. Repetition of the same task leads to faster execution and fewer mistakes. This efficiency contributes to higher overall productivity in the production line. Dedicated tools for specific activities streamline the process. Workers can use tools designed for their tasks, which reduces errors and increases speed. Imagine a factory that assembles electronic devices. Workers use automated screwdrivers specifically designed for this task. These tools can adjust torque settings automatically, ensuring that screws are tightened to the correct specifications every time. This reduces the risk of over-tightening or under-tightening, which can lead to product defects. As a result, workers can complete their tasks faster and with greater accuracy. In a warehouse, workers use ergonomic tools designed for lifting and moving heavy items. These tools, such as pallet jacks and forklifts, are specifically engineered to reduce strain on the body. By using these dedicated tools, workers can move items more efficiently and safely, minimizing the risk of injury and increasing overall productivity. Decoupling activities allows each worker to perform their tasks independently, without needing to coordinate closely with others. This independence allows for a smoother workflow. Picture a car manufacturing plant. On the assembly line, each worker is assigned a specific task, such as installing the engine, attaching the doors, or fitting the wheels. Because these tasks are decoupled, each worker can focus solely on their responsibility, without needing to wait for others to complete their parts. This independence allows the assembly line to operate smoothly, as each section can progress at its own pace. If one worker finishes early, they can assist others without disrupting the overall flow. In a hospital, different departments often handle various aspects of patient care. For instance, the radiology department can conduct imaging tests while the surgical team prepares for an operation. Because these activities are decoupled, patient care can proceed more efficiently. Each department can focus on its tasks, leading to quicker diagnoses and treatments, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Decoupling activities allows workers to perform their tasks independently, fostering a smoother workflow across various industries. This independence not only enhances efficiency, but also empowers workers to focus on their specific roles, leading to improved productivity and quality. Finally, interchangeable parts simplify assembly. When parts are made to standard specifications, they fit together easily. This reduces the time and effort needed for assembly, making the entire process more efficient. In the world of manufacturing, the concept of interchangeable parts has revolutionized the assembly process. Consider the production of smartphones. Manufacturers use interchangeable components, such as batteries, screens, and circuit boards, that are standardized across different models. When a new model is introduced, the assembly team can utilize existing parts, making the transition smoother and faster. This not only speeds up production but also simplifies repairs and replacements. as technicians can easily swap out parts without needing specialized tools or training. In the aerospace sector, the use of interchangeable parts is critical for safety and efficiency. Aircraft components, such as engines and landing gears, are manufactured to strict specifications. This standardization ensures that parts can be easily replaced during maintenance checks. Technicians can quickly swap out components, minimizing aircraft downtime and ensuring that planes are ready for flight as soon as possible. Mass production has its challenges. One major issue is the design of the production process. The workload of activities must be carefully divided among workers. This division can lead to some workers being idle at times. These factors can impact efficiency and productivity. It's essential to find a balance in workload distribution to minimize idle time and maximize output. When one worker takes a break, it can create a ripple effect. Other workers may find themselves without tasks to complete. This situation leads to inefficiencies in the production process. Idle time not only affects productivity but can also impact team morale. It's essential to manage breaks and workflow carefully to minimize these disruptions. By doing so, we can maintain a smoother operation and ensure that all workers remain engaged and productive. Imagine a situation where the bodywork team takes a break. The engine team has completed their tasks but cannot proceed. They are left waiting, which results in worker idle time. Another challenge is the risk of longer flow times. Jobs that are partially finished may be delayed while waiting for workers to become available. This can slow down the entire production process. Consider a car that is partially assembled. It has an installed engine but is waiting for the bodywork team to finish their tasks. This delay increases the flow time for that vehicle. The longer it takes to complete the car, the more it affects the overall production schedule. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.